Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something special for all you busy people out there. We understand that finding time for workouts can be a challenge, but don't worry. We've got you covered with 10 easy home workouts that are perfect for busy peoples. 10 easy home workouts for busy peoples. Workout 1. Jumping jacks. Our first exercise is a classic jumping jack. It's a great warm-up exercise that gets your heart pumping and your body ready for the workout ahead. Start by standing with your feet together and arms by your sides. Then jump up, spreading your legs wide and raising your arms above your head. Repeat this motion for a set of 10 to 15 reps. Workout 2. Squat. Squats are excellent for toning your lower body. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then lower your body as if you're sitting back into an imaginary chair. Keep your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to stand back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 squats. Workout 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. If you're a beginner, you can modify by doing push-ups on your knees. Aim for 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Workout 4. Plank. The plank is a great exercise for strengthening your core. Start by getting into a push-up position, then lower your forearms to the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe, engaging your abs and glutes. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your fitness level. Workout 5. High knees. High knees are a fantastic cardio exercise that gets your heart rate up. Stand with your feet hip width apart, then start jogging in place, lifting your knees as high as possible. Pump your arms to increase the intensity. Aim for 1 minute of high knees. Workout 6. Lunges. Lunges are great for working your legs and glutes. Start by standing with your feet hip width apart. Take a big step forward with your right leg, lowering your body until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Push through your right heel to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Aim for 3 sets of 10 lunges on each leg. Workout 7. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are perfect for targeting your abs. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted off the ground. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg straight. Repeat on the other side, alternating in a cycling motion. Aim for 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Workout 8. Tricep dips. Tricep dips are great for toning the back of your arms. Sit on the edge of a chair or bench with your hands gripping the edge. Walk your feet forward, then lower your body by bending your elbows. Push back up to the starting position. Aim for 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Workout 9. Mountain climb. Mountain climbers are a full-body exercise that targets your core, arms, and legs. Start in a plank position. Then alternate bringing your knees towards your chest in a running motion. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. Aim for 1 minute of mountain climbers. Workout 10. Burpees. Our last exercise is the challenging but effective burpee. Start in a standing position, then lower your body into a squat. Place your hands on the floor and kick your feet back into a plank position. Jump your feet back towards your hands, then explode into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 burpees. And there you have it, 10 easy home workouts for busy people. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to staying fit, so try to incorporate these exercises. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.